we're going north. It's really, really windy. Oh, it's still super windy. I've set up a bundle of wood to protect what I'm starting. We're just gonna have to wing it and hope it works. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Logbook. My name is Jeff, and you can call me Jefinately. So, we are in Wells, Nevada, which is really, really cold. It's 6 degrees right now, and it's just snow on the mountains. It's cold. Anyway, great news. Eric Sistad, the person, not the camera, is going to meet us. So if we just look at the map, he wants to meet us in Yakima, Washington. Now, we're in Wells, Nevada, which is this far away. So, I mean, we have 5 days to get there, which is totally doable. We can do dirt. We'll stick on dirt. We'll just have as much fun as we can. But the thing is, we cannot put a step wrong because, anything like missing a day because of having to get something done to the bike or, routes blocked or whatever. So we have to flip the coin, figure it out, and make those destinations. So puts a little bit of pressure on, but we can stick to it. Positive mental attitude. And we'll go. Let's do it. So let's flip the coin and see where we go. Okay, flipping the coin here. We've got, if we could go left, because that keeps us on track for Sistad. That would take us through the desert of Nevada, and then we could go north, which will take us to sand dunes. So it's either desert or sand dunes, which seems like the same thing. What's next? All right, we're going north. North is sand dunes. Those are super rad. There's a lake inside them. We could go swimming if it's warm enough. We'll see. So let's pack up Gunther and hit the road. Well, it's a bummer, but the dog known as Whiskey, who is awesome, is not working today. So he stayed home. So you don't get to meet him. But if you're ever in Wells, Nevada, and you want to see the most lovable dog of all time, go to the Motel 6, ask for Whiskey. He's awesome. We're hitting the road, and it is up to jackpot, and then we hit dirt after that. So it's gonna be a fun day. Oh, it's cold. Man, it is way too cold. I gotta put on I'm putting on my rain gear, my rain pants, because this is ridiculous. Oh no, that's deep sand. That's going to be hard to get out of. This is so cold, man. I can't believe it. Oh, it was nice the other day. So the thing about today is we're going up in elevation a little bit, a ways, and then once we hit the dirt, we start going down. So that will be what I'm looking forward to big time, because this is, I think, the coldest I've been on this trip. Jeez, come on. Snake dust. I don't have time for this. So these are the kind of things, like having to change, having to fix a camera, that is really going to put strains on my destination in 5 days to get to Sistad. And I mean, we've been on the road for 15 minutes. So I switched the SD card. I don't know if that was fully necessary, but if I have to do it again, I'm going to have to pull over. So, that's just troubles, it's just going to happen to get going. I left my bag, this bag open, and something flew out, and I don't know what it is. And I think this is it. Oh, it's just stickers. You know what? Considering how my day is going today, I'm putting the kickstand down. So, another, I mean, I don't want to litter, but that was not really a valuable turnaround. Alright, let's keep doing this. Jeez. Okay, we made it to gas. Awesome. Just in time for turbo to screw up. I think it might be the extreme cold that is playing tricks on my cameras. So, I guess we just gotta deal with that. 3.548. Oh, that is close. That's the closest I think I've been without being out. My tank holds 3.7. Okay, let's warm up. All right, here we go. It's pretty insane how consistently better the gas was in Central America and Mexico for consumption. I mean, I was consistently getting over 300 kilometers per tank, and I'm consistently getting under 300 kilometers per tank. Crazy. So we're about to enter into Idaho, which I believe it's our first time on this trip. And clocks go ahead, back, ahead. Again, so Utah, Idaho, Montana, all that stuff. Anyway, let's do it. We got 20 minutes until we turn off, and hopefully it's dirt. Idaho! Alright, here is our Lorenzo. Oh, it's gotten warmer. This is nice. So this is eventually going to take us to dirt. Very excited. We're going to the Bruneau Dunes, which is near the town of Bruneau, and I've been there before. It's awesome. Very beautiful, serene. Camping sucks, but you know, whatever. We could cook food and make it fun. This is awesome. So we've been cruising on this road for a while, and we do for a while. Before we hit the dirt, I believe, and jump on the first leg of the Idaho BDR, backcountry discovery route. And if you're unaware of those, I'll put a link in the description and maybe a link to the thingy. Their official first day ride on that. But this is a cool little canyon gully thingy. And we got a 2006 Prelude. Oh, it's a dam. Oh, wow. That's cool. Whew. Don't want to get too close to that one. That's pretty rad. Didn't expect that. Those, these are the little things that you just take routes that you don't really know about, and you get to see this. Not bad. Cool. Love it. I would take put up ships, the drone, but it's super windy right now, so hopefully that calms down as we get out of here. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, we're just going through the nice little canyon or whatever hills that get you a little respite from the wind. But look, like, that's where we are. That's a lot of snow. And
Yeah. When we go around this corner, you'll see there's these rain clouds peppered everywhere. So there's probably a chance that we're gonna hit some rain, but we're back in the wind, so wrap it up! And this is where the BDR starts. And Clover, Bruneau, Highway 51, 64 miles to Bruneau. Okay, let's see what the BDR's got in store for us. Whew, cold. Looks like we might have rain right off the bat. Oh man, I had to pull over. It's so cold. Look at that view though. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I hit a couple dribbles of rain, nothing much, so it's been pretty good. It's just this cold. We've come down from 1,700 meters to 1,600 meters, and I got my yeah, it's supposed to get. We're supposed to hit a decline in altitude pretty soon, so that will probably help out. We'll get out of that rain back, or those heavy clouds back there. We get into this more of the scattered clouds. We'll probably warm up a little bit, hopefully. Whew! Oh, cows! Hola, cow! When I was doing my kind of route planning for today, I saw that there was a lookout of a canyon, which is up here a little ways. So hopefully we can find that and go check it out, because it looks like it would be really awesome. You could camp there, but it's way too cold. So we'll see. Okay, we're good to go. It's a pretty nice little valley to live in. Pretty cool. I got cows. Pretty rad. This road has gotten, well, now it's got some washboard, but it's gotten way curvier, which has been a lot of fun. It was bone straight for quite a while, and then it's got some curves on it now. It's pretty fun. Okay, we've got a Lorenzo coming up with some signs. Bruneau 36. Castleford. Bruneau 36, that's us. Bruneau is the town by the Bruneau sand dunes, and it's got a bar at it. Look at you, Turbo. Oh, look at Turbo. Okay, that is where we're gonna go, but we're gonna go over here because this is where I think the lookout is. Man, since those corners, man, it's just been washboard. Very uncomfortable. That's why Turbo's all askew. Turbo doesn't like washboard, but who really does anyway? So let's go check this out. I have my signal on. So the road has gotten less. Well, I'll take washboard now. Let's get up here. Okay, so we're getting close to this canyon. I don't know if this is the lookout point, but this is the closest that road gets to this. So we'll see what it looks like when we get there. We're getting close to the end of the line here. Oh, here we go. That is rad. Cool. Does this go all the way in? No. We're gonna keep going until we realize we can't get out. Oh wow, it does go. I wonder if it goes to the bottom. Sweet. This would be a place. Look at that for a camp spot. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Looks like someone lives down here. Oh, that's cool. Should probably turn around then. Sign in before entering. Winter for car cam? Winter cam. Oh, winter camp. That's good. Well, I'm not part of the camp, so. Well, it's not so windy down here. That's nice. This is beautiful. What a beautiful oasis we found. I wonder what that camp's all about. Because that would be cool to hang out down here for a little bit. It's like a pump house or something right there, maybe. Fun road. Yeah. Sweet. I love the little things that you find on the road that you're not expecting. It kind of spices it up, you know, and it makes every morning you go, you know, all right, we're gonna go do this, and you know, maybe it's a fun road or whatever, but you find, you know, a little bottom of a canyon oasis. Pretty cool. The photos that I saw of the canyon the canyon was way bigger and deeper and gnarlier and all that stuff, but you couldn't go into the bottom of it, I don't think. So this one, I mean, that was awesome. Alright, now let's continue on. We're gonna camp tonight because we can. And we're going to grab some food to cook. Yeah, we should be good. Get back on the main road and make some moves. We have some not so wildlife. This looks like a monster traffic jam. We'll see how this goes. That is a lot of sheep. Look at them all. We're protecting the flock. Hi, doggy doo. Hi, dog. How you doing? How are you? Good to go? I'll just go around the outside? Okay, thank you very much. What's up, little guy? Alright, we're crossing a field of sheep. Look at them all. So awesome. I wonder if I'm helping. Yes, I'm helping. That's what I'm going to say to myself. I'm herding sheep. Okay. What I definitely didn't think I'd be doing today was herding sheep. Alright, let's get sorted. I would like to get chicken, but they only come in enormous chickens. Unnaturally large chickens. There's some pork chop. That's the one right there. So, I've got some spice for that. I'm gonna go with mushrooms and an onion. That'll do. Okay, we got all the food. We got our wine. It should last a few days. We're ready to go. Alright. Let's go cook. Alright, we're on the road to Bruneau Dunes, which are right there. Very big and seemingly in the middle of nowhere. And in between that dune and the big one, there's a little lake. And you can swim in it, apparently. Those are the monsters. But we're gonna go get a parking spot, or a picnic spot, a tent spot. The wind is howling, and so it's coming from this direction, so I think this one is gonna be best, because the fire ring is blocked by the wind. Which means I can't put my tent there, but that's okay. Oh, and it's also full of firewood. I'll take that. Sweet. Oh, this place is pretty good. Firewood and pretty good shelter. I've stayed here a few times before, and the wind can be pretty bad. If you don't get the right site, you're in trouble. So let's get changed, go get some more firewood, and we'll go visit the dunes. I just looked, and the sun doesn't go down until 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna do the dunes after food, because we gotta eat way before that. What we got here is pork chops, boneless, and I've got some Greek seasoning that I made at home before we left, well, almost 8 months ago. Will have been 8 months when I actually made it. I don't know if it's gonna be any good anymore. It's all we got, so sorry. I'm the only one that's sorry. Jeez. Anyway, so I'm gonna start this now, and then I'm gonna get to all the other things, and then we'll cook. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. Because we're gonna let this sit for a little while, so we're just gonna give it a very generous amount of seasoning. The product of being sitting in a bag. There's another big gem. That's just jamming all over there. We're gonna use the spoon to kind of get it right in there, because we're gonna put oil on top of this so the grill doesn't really destroy it. Flip it over, do the same. Mushrooms. We're gonna saute mushrooms and onions in oil with a little bit of salt and call it a day. I think that'll be a good one. You know, a couple of pork chops, some veg. That's all you need. I like the spoon on the oil in the Greek. Oh, it's gonna be good.
It's really, really windy. I've set up a bundle of wood to protect what I'm starting, but no, you know, it's just really windy, so no promises. So it's still super windy. I've gotten down, I've reduced these logs. We're just gonna have to wing it and hope it works. I can do that. Kind of do it all the time. Okay, here we go. We're going for it. We're gonna take the meat out, throw it on, and then we're gonna put the veggies on. I set up this wood block so that it would protect it from the wind. I think things are ready. Look at that. That looks so good. Eating time. First bites. Let's see how it goes. Well cooked. Oh yeah. Yeah. That Greek spice is still good. It's pretty good. I'm happy with myself. Yeah. It's just a little wind, right? Yeah. Gonna give myself a little ribbon of some kind, if I could find one. Let's go to the sand dunes. So we're on a dune at the Bruneau Dunes. This is the smallest of all of them because I want to say 2 pork chops. So there's a lake over there. I don't know if you can see it. But if you're brave, you can swim in that lake. There's all types of crocodile and snake dusts in there that may or may not eat you. There's also really close to it a telescope. That might affect your life, but you know, I'm sorry. Well, this is pretty sweet. Great into the day. I don't know if you can hear me because how the wind thing works on this, but the day, it was cold, it was windy. I got to see that little oasis in the canyon. That was awesome. So, yeah, they avoided all the rain. I got to eat some really good food and get to hear on these dunes. So I'm pretty happy. So anyway, well, you are happy for some reason. I made you happy. Give you a little mini thumbs up, or a big thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button. It's over there somewhere. And if you want to share this with your friends, that's also amazing. We're gonna flip the coin to see where we go tomorrow. We got either north or left. So we're gonna meet Sistad at some point. I think it's 5 days. If you want to see that, subscribe. We'll find Sistad somewhere in Washington State. Go out there, find someone, and make them laugh. Thank you very much. This is really bad. I've been to 3 hotels and they're all no vacancy. It's raining and it's getting dark soon. This place doesn't have anything either. Nothing there. That's the last hotel. There's no rooms.